All. In this video, I'm going to talk about the problems which is faced by small scale industries. Though the small scale industries have significantly contributed to the economic development of countries by contributing significantly to the GDP of a country, the national income of the country, and also helps the and has also helped many countries to solve the problem of unemployment. But still, the small scale industries continue to be plagued by innumerable number of problems, and mostly these problems stem because of the fact that the small scale industries are small in size and therefore they are not able to compete with the other large scale undertakings. Recognizing the role which is played by small scale industries in the growth of any economy, the governments have taken innumerable number of steps in order to promote and foster the growth of small scale industries. And some of the measures have been very effective, but still many problems plague small scale industries, like the problems of finance, the problem of production and distribution, and some of the problems faced by small scale industries are external to them, which means that they are beyond the control of small scale industries, like the problem of infrastructure, the problem of non availability of raw materials, and the like. So, innumerable problems face or obstruct the growth of small scale industries. So, now let's look into some of the problems which are faced by small scale industries. The first problem which is faced by small scale industries is the problem of inadequate finance. Most of the time, the small scale industries depend on infusion of capital from the proprietors or owners who start the small scale industries. Very less funds are available through borrowed sources like banks and other financial institutions. Now, the main reason why banks and institutional lenders do not offer much loans to the small scale industries is basically because the small scale industries are not in a position to offer guarantees in order to raise huge funds, and even the procedures which is involved in order to raise funds from these institutions is cumbersome. So therefore, the problem of finance plagues the small scale industries. Further, even if the funds are available to small scale industries, they have to pay huge amounts of interest for these funds. This is basically because the credit worthiness of the small borrowers is generally weak, and therefore the small scale industries find it very difficult to convince the creditors to offer them loans, and the creditors offer them loans only at high rates of interest. So this inadequacy of finance poses a major problem for the growth of small scale industries. Next problem is shortage of raw materials. Many times the raw materials are not available at the required quantity and quality. Since the demand for raw materials is more than the supply, the prices of raw materials again are quite high, which further pushes the cost of production for the small scale industries. Further, even when there is scarcity of raw materials, this results in idle capacity, low production, inability to meet demand, and loss of customers for the small scale industries. So, raw material shortages also pose innumerable problems for small scale industries. Next, poor capacity utilization. In many small scale industries, the capacity utilization is not even 50% of the installed capacity. Nearly half of the machinery is lying idle, and capital is unnecessarily blocked because they locked up because this capital has been infused in purchasing this machinery. This idle machinery and the blocked capital further leads to financial crunch for the small scale industries. Another problem which is faced by small scale industries is that of incompetent management. Incompetent management means incapable management. Generally, the small scale industries are run by entrepreneurs who are less qualified and do not have the requisite skills or experience in order to manage a small scale industry efficiently. And very little importance is given by these entrepreneurs to analyze important matters like financial availability, analyzing the demand, the production levels and techniques and all that. So one of the major reasons for the sickness in small scale industries is the incompetent management. Further, moving on to the other problems of small scale industries, the external versus internal problems. External problems refers to those problems which are beyond the control of the entrepreneur, like the problem of infrastructure, non-availability of raw materials, non-availability of the requisite research and development facilities. And internal problems refers to the problems which are within the control of the entrepreneur, like the problems which occurs due to faulty planning, due to underutilization of capacity and all. So external problems has to be sorted out only with the intervention of the government, whereas internal problems relating to management of the small scale industries can be solved by the entrepreneurs themselves. Moving on to the next problem which is faced by small scale industries is the lack of marketing support. Small scale industries, because of the financial crunch, do not carry out extensive marketing research in order to analyze the problems which they face when they are marketing the product. Further, since their production is volume is less and it cannot meet the demand for large market, therefore the market share is also restricted. Further, with the globalization of economies, now the local industries are also facing tough competition from foreign competitors who generally sell better quality products and at lower prices. Further, the small scale industries also face various other marketing problems relating to problem of distribution contacts, the problem of lack of appropriate marketing knowledge, the lack of problem of ignorance of potential markets, lack of quality control, poor quality, poor designing of products, lack of standardization, and innumerable other problems. Next is the problem of working capital. Working capital is the capital which is required in order to meet the financial or in order to carry day-to-day activities of the enterprise. Though the finance which is available to small scale industries is less, further the capital also gets blocked up in various activities like due to the lack of market knowledge, many a times the production of small scale industries exceeds the demand and the capital again gets locked in this unsold stock, and further the small scale industries do not have enough funds to meet their operational expenses and run the business. This again poses a problem of working capital for small scale industries. Next is problems in export. Since the small scale industries are generally managed by entrepreneurs who are illiterate or who generally do not have enough experience, they also lack knowledge about the export procedures, the demand pattern, product preferences, the international currency rates, and so on. So, the small scale industries are not able to penetrate foreign markets because of their poor quality of products which they offer and the lack of cost or competitiveness. So, the small scale industries also face the problem of exports. Next is the problem or the lack of technology upgradation. One of the major factors hampering the growth of small scale sector in India has been the absence of latest technology, which alone can ensure that quality products are available or manufactured and the rate of productivity is also high. Many small scale industries still use old methods, primitive methods, and outdated technology, leading to poor quality of products. They do not have adequate funds in order to spend on research and development and to develop new technologies to manufacture good quality products. And acquiring technology from other firms is also costly. Therefore, small scale industries are left with no choice but to continue with their age old techniques. Okay, one of the major advantages of small scale industries is that they are labor intensive, and that is generally very good for a country like India where there is lots of problem of unemployment. So small scale industries helps economies like India to overcome the problem of unemployment to a great extent. But this advantage is greatly hampered because of the multiplicity of labor laws which is available in the country. Because of the multiplicity of labor laws, the small scale industries have to maintain innumerable records, have to comply with the rules regarding labor in among the regarding rules regarding the various labor regulations which is available. Due to this, the small scale industries are at a great disadvantage. Next, inability to meet environmental standards. The Environment Protection Acts of various countries lay down strict environmental standards to be complied with, and the small scale industries which already face a financial crunch to carry out their business are not able to spend such huge amounts on meeting the certain environmental standards like erecting huge chimneys, setting up effluent treatment plants and the like. Next problem which is faced by small scale industries is the problem of poor industrial relations. Industrial relations refers to the relations between the employees and the employer. Many small scale industries are not able to match the pay and benefits which is offered by large scale enterprises to their employees, and this leads to labor problems and conflicts between the employees and the employers because of the low wages which is given to the employees are generally they're not satisfied. Then there is always a problem regarding or rather there is a conflict between employees and employers on the issue of wages. These conflicts may further take the route of strikes and lockout, okay, and which again hampers the growth of small scale industries. Next is the problem of widespread sickness in small scale industries. A small scale industry is termed as a sick industry when it makes losses continuously year after year, and when the losses exceed more than 50% of their net worth, then the industry is considered as a sick industry. So generally, because of the innumerable problems which the small scale industries face, like the problem of low quality goods, the problem of facing competition from foreign companies, problem of lack of new technologies and all these problems further lead to losing of market share for the small scale industries, and in turn the loss of market share further leads to losses for small scale industries. This results in industrial sickness. Next, government interference. Small scale industries have to maintain a number of records, and there are endless government inspections. A lot of time, money, efforts is also spent in complying with these various inspections and records verification. This prevents small scale industries from fully concentrating on their business activities. One of the major problems for small scale industries is recoveries from sales. It is an established practice for buyers to expect credit from sellers. So, this practice is forced upon the small scale industries also. Initially, credit has to be made available by the small scale industries to their customers to capture a greater market share. Though the small scale industries buy raw materials on cash, but due to the intense competition, they have to sell their products on credit. Buying on cash and selling on credit itself places a great burden on the finances of small scale industries. Further, the greater problem is payments are delayed, sometimes even by 6 months or to a year. So the delayed payments further severely impact the survival of many small scale industries. Further, I would like to conclude by telling that small scale industries do not enjoy much of the advantages which is enjoyed by large scale enterprises, and this is mainly because of the nature and size of the small scale industries. Though they have made significant contributions to the economic development of a country, but yet the small scale industries have not realized their full potential, and they may even face problems regarding for their functioning, and many small scale industries are also sick industries due to these reasons.